Alright, so today we'll be going over a typical kind of question for differentiation. So the question is, find x if the tangent of y equals x squared minus 6x is perpendicular to the line 2x minus 3y plus 4 equals 0. So the first thing we must consider here is we must find the dy dx of y equals x squared minus 6x, because that's the only way we'll be able to calculate what the gradient of the tangent is. So what we're going to do is we'll have to find dy dx. We'll drop the power of 2 in x squared down to form 2x, and the minus 6x will just become minus 6. Okay, so that'll be the gradient for the tangent. So keep in mind here in this question, it's only asking, okay, what if the tangent is perpendicular to the line 2x minus 3y plus 4 equals 0. It never really requires us to find the entire equation of the tangent. If we had to do that, we'll have to use the point gradient formula. But fortunately for us in this question, we don't have to go that far. Okay, so we now know this is the gradient of the tangent. So it's perpendicular to the line 2x minus 3y plus 4 equals 0. What we have to do now is we must actually find what the gradient of the line 2x minus 3y plus 4 equals 0 is. The easiest way to do that is we'll have to make y the subject. So by making y, or moving y to the right hand side, we get 3y equals to 2x plus 4. Okay? So what we want to do after here is we want to get rid of the 3 in front of the y, so we just get y equals to 2 over 3 x plus 4 over 3. Now in the form of y equals mx plus b, so that's a standard form of an equation, the m here would be that 2/3. Okay, so I don't know where this came from. So the m here would be the 2/3. Okay, and using the perpendicular gradient formula where m1 times m2 equals -1, we can calculate that the perpendicular gradient, okay, the perpendicular gradient m2 would equal negative 3 over 2, or negative 1.5. Okay, so now going back to the question, remember it's asking us what if the tangent is perpendicular, or the gradient of the tangent is perpendicular. So we just calculated here the dy dx equals 2x minus 6. So what we have to do now is we equate 2x minus 6 with negative 1.5. And after doing a bit of algebra, we get that x equals to 2.25. And there we go, that's how we do the question. Thank you guys for listening.